main shaft and arms, and then 3 legs come separately packaged. There's 4 short arms which will go to the second, and feeding the loop, the pipe. So to assemble the AmbiFlex decoiler, these legs have a little flat notch on one side. That needs to go in on the upside down. Once that clips in, then spin it round. It's got a little catch that holds it in place, and do that, repeat the process with each leg. And then once the legs are on, the decoiler is just about ready to go. So these flaps flap down, and these short arms here go onto the sides. Normally you'd put these on after you put the pipe onto the flaps and secure the pipe in place. Just got it loose. And then lastly, we put the feeding eye for the pipe on the top, so that locates on there. A couple other things. This central shaft here does unscrew, so if you want to use this in the traditional way of decoiling from the outside of the pipe, then these arms come up the inside and you'd decoil from the outside. The benefit of this decoiler is that you can decoil the pipe from the inside of the pipe. So this secures the outside, you keep the outer packaging on the pipe, decoil from the inside using this feeding eye. That stops the pipe going underneath the decoiler and catching. And it also means when you get to the end of a roll and you've got some leftover pipe work, that you can just simply package it up. It's sort of nice and neat and tidy. Okay, you know, you've got a good amount of weight you can put on this. You can put a 600 metre roll on it or a 100 metre roll on it. And nice double ball bearing motion.